just kind of over. I'm very disappointed in myself, and I low-key want to cry because it took me a whole year and a half to get it to the length that it was at. As you can see, I'll try to insert a comparison picture, but it was much healthier. The front was longer. Like, I just completely dropped the ball. Like, I have. Like, look at the, like, this is a mess. So I don't know how, I'm not a hairstylist. I don't know how to cut hair off. I know how to clip ends, but like, I'm just ready to cut it all the way off. Like, this is ridiculous. Part of why this is like this is because there's not a lot of hair here. So I don't know. So I'm gonna start with first cutting it to the same length, I guess. Well, I'm gonna cut with this side. I'm gonna at least cut it into like a bob, I guess. I don't know, child. Cut. Okay. The back of my hair is always good. Still feel like I might need to cut off some more. Like, let's see. Let's look and see. Like, see this right here? It needs to go. So I need to cut it a little. Like, see, it's actually cool. That's good, but it's just this here. I don't know. I'm just gonna clip it because I feel like I'm gonna clip it like this because I feel like it needs to be cut. And it is different lengths, so it's weird. But I don't want it. I don't know. This is annoying. Like, I wanna be able to have a style. I don't wanna have to cut it so short, bruh. This is so weird. Like, I've never really just, I mean, I've chopped my hair off 2 years ago. See, this, all that's good back there. It's just this piece. So I'm gonna cut. But I did not want layers. And now I have layers right there. Like, that's so crazy. I'm getting mad. Like, I'm ready about to cut. I'm about to cut all of that off. And I'm gonna leave it there. I cut that off because I don't know what that was doing. Anything that looks like it needs to be cut, like, I'm just cutting it. This looks like it needs to be cut. All of that. All right. Looking good. Looking good in the neighborhood. Okay. Okay. Not bad. It's still ugly. This is ugly, like, it's really ugly. But at least I'm not having to start all the way over. Ugh. This side is longer. But I don't care, because I want it to be. Because I'm mad I had to cut my hair. Okay, let's cut. Let's keep cutting, though. Wait a minute. Let's see if we need to keep cutting. I can't see. Like, I can't even see that. This mirror is annoying. Whatever. Oh, this is shorter over here. Dang, this is shorter over here now. I can't even see myself. Oh man, I cut that and didn't even cut the rest of it. That's fine. I'm just gonna chop and screw my hair, y'all, because whatever needs to be cut, it just needs to be cut. I ain't even gonna fight it. This side actually has some damage like right up in here. So we just cut that off. And it should be okay now. It's chopped and screwed pretty ugly. I don't know, y'all. This is ugly. This is the ugliest haircut ever. I just don't feel like cutting it all this length. Like, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just not doing that. So I'm just gonna have a layer right there. I could cut this side too, I guess. Let's see. It's fine. All right, so we're good over here too. I cut this side a little more too, so we're just gonna do that and hope that all of this can grow back. I use Do Grow oil. Do I have a little ponytail? Look y'all, I have a bald spot now. Like, I don't know. I was told that the gel that I was using has been like taking people's hair out. So I don't know, I guess so. I'm gonna show, I got my hair all over. Okay, so we're still at a nice length, I think. Look at this, it's so ugly. But we're at a nice length still. Wait a minute, let me see, is this something that needs to be cut? Okay, so yeah, we're doing pretty good. We still got some length. I thought I was gonna be like bald-headed, but it's not bad. This is the new cut. Okay. Alright, so, ladies and gentlemen, okay, so, this side is a little longer though, which is crazy, because I'm gonna go ahead and cut it the same length. I'm gonna cut this a little shorter. I mean, it's not really that much longer, but I'm gonna just, that's the longest I'm gonna go. That's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so it's even, I think. It's kind of cute or whatever. It's cute. I mean, it's gonna have to do. this is what you gotta do, what you gotta do. I mean, I could do some cute little feathers and, you know, all that little cute stuff, but I'm not going on a heat. I mean, I'm not applying any heat to my hair. I don't want to apply any heat. So for the next 3 months, next 6 months, I'm going to check in with you guys and do a length check. So at the end of the summer, no, I lied. 6 months from now, what month are we in? 3? So in September, we're gonna do a hair growth thing. So comment below some hairstyles I could try. Oh, that's right, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. So I'm about to put my wig on, and I'm just gonna have to wear my little cute curly units with closures, because I was gonna wear my natural hair out, but obviously that's just not good because my edges are not. I'm gonna have to do, and I haven't been doing my my wild growth oil daily massages. I haven't been doing those, so I have been under a lot of stress, and I've been sleeping like a wild cave girl with no scarf on, and I've been combing at my edges dry. So I probably did it myself. I know I did it myself, and then somebody came and kidnapped them, which is a possibility. So thank you guys for watching. Comment below with any hair growth tips and suggestions that you've been doing after having a blunt cut, or any hairstyles that will be cute. And thank you guys for watching. Check out my previous hairstyle videos if you're interested in those. And check out my hair company. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.